So the TXA Alliance Sustainability Program involves a group of collective, like-minded businesses all coming together to share expertise and best practices to kind of help enable one another on our sustainability journey. So from the complex issues like scope and emissions, all the way through to very easy kind of menial ones, such as how we make our offices more greener, we've had vendors such as Microsoft and the Ingram Micro ESG team come in to talk about like real life examples of how they've transformed their businesses throughout this sustainability journey. And I think more importantly, how we can, at our level, being a smaller organization, even make those small changes which actually have massive impacts.
As a community, we believe in tackling big issues like this together. So we set out with 25 of our members, Ingram Micro and IT vendors, to tackle these problems. First thing we did, we aligned ourselves to the UN Sustainable Development Goals framework. So the 4 goals that we chose are the most relevant for our industry. They are good health and well-being, gender equality, decent work and economic growth, and of course the big one, climate action. Together, we set some tasks for us to achieve throughout the year, aligned to each of those goals. And then regularly we meet, we share best practice, we get subject matter experts to come in and just talk with us. And then most importantly, we hold ourselves accountable to achieving those goals.
So we have our 4 goals, we have 4 goal groups. Each has a leader and we get our employees involved and they kind of volunteer their time against a specific goal group as to where they can make the most impact.
By aligning ourselves with the sustainability goals, we've been able to identify a subset of targets which we can review, we can work towards, we can share with staff within our company, in our annual business plan to really get that staff level buy-in. And going through the sort of workshop environment with Ingram and TrustX has really helped us evaluate not only what goals we want to focus our efforts on, but how we can achieve them.
I think fortunately for us tech companies, we've always been looking at improving efficiency and reducing carbon output. And that's by modernizing organizations' infrastructure, moving systems into the cloud as much as we can, thereby removing the need for any on-premise infrastructure, reducing heating, reducing cooling, reducing power consumption costs for our clients. Furthermore, we've also been working very closely with ecology on the deforestation. And whenever we receive positive feedback from a client, be it on the service desk or be it as part of our project delivery team, we would typically plant trees or plant forests as we now are. And to date, we've probably planted over 5,000 trees across various forests within the world.
And that is what we set out to tackle and solve with the TrustX Alliance Sustainability Initiative.